Now that you have the seat belt routed and buckled, we're going to turn the Foonf so that it's sitting right centered in the vehicle seating position. And then we're going to push down on the seat and pull up on the shoulder belt to tighten it. Keep tension on the shoulder belt of the vehicle seat belt and route it right up into the forward-facing lock-off. The belt should lay flat, like that. Then you're going to push in the top piece and you're going to pull up the bottom piece to lock it into place. Once you've done that, if you have a seat belt that can be switched to locking mode, you're going to pull the webbing all the way out, nice and slow, until you reach the end of the seat belt, and that's going to switch it to locked mode, and just let the excess slack go right back in.